My name is Byron Jones. I'm from Bel Air Pools. We are a contractor specialising in commercial and residential concrete swimming pools. We've been doing this for almost 40 years and we're a second generation family owned business. We shop at Reece because they provide the best service and they understand our product range that we require every single day. Our relationship with our local branch is really, really good. I would definitely classify Reece as a partnership in lieu of a relationship. We know all the guys really well. We come in for a laugh, they know our business, they know our products. It's really good. We started off with a product range of about 5 when we initially came on with Reece, and now we're upwards of 150. They have every single product that we require. If they don't have the product, they find it for us and find it fast. That and the prompt deliveries to site for our guys to keep on going is really, really important for us. Typically would place an order in an afternoon and it's there first thing in the morning when we need it, so that reliability is key for us. Reece is unique in the fact that they not only understand their products and our business, but they have the Reece Max option available. Online orders, quotations and delivery tracking is a tool that we use a lot of. We can certainly rely on Reece. They are the heartbeat of our business. They know what we use, where we use it, how we use it. We're a team at the end of the day and they understand us well and they enable us to grow by doing so.